Tracy, what's up,
man?
man?
How's it going?
It's going pretty good. Just roasted some coffee this morning.
Sweet. So I hear you're on a quest to find the best coffees in the world?
I am indeed, sir.
Well, then you need to meet Ada Bahia in El Salvador. She's the first female to win Cup of Excellence. Her coffees are amazing.
Wow, I gotta check this coffee out.
Well, if you're gonna catch her, you need to go now, because Salvador is just about done with their harvest.
Well, I'll be on a plane this weekend then.
Love it. Well, be careful. It can be dangerous down there, but don't forget your surfboard.
Awesome. Thanks, Tracy. See you, man. We gotta get to El Salvador right now. Alright, so we're starting our adventure off in El Zonte, El Salvador, a teeny tiny surfer town on the Pacific coast in El Salvador. It's absolutely beautiful, and believe it or not, this place takes Bitcoin. That's because the country legalized it a few years ago, and this little town especially really took off with it. But tomorrow is the big day. I get to go to the mountains, where I'm gonna meet with Ada and coffee farmers, and hopefully taste one of her award-winning coffees. But more importantly, I want to get to know Ada. I want to know what drives her. I want to know why she's here. Why did she leave a comfortable life in the United States to work hard growing coffee here in El Salvador? It's just something I don't understand. Adventure starts tomorrow, but for now, I'm enjoying this view. Peace out. So here's our driver to the coffee farm. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Bien. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Wilfredo.
¿Ese?
Wilfredo.
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 Yeah, mucho gusto.
Ya, chingón.
I don't even know if I want to call this a road. It's just like a dirt path with rocks and holes. This is wild. Really excited though. It's gonna make the coffee taste that much sweeter. Currently we're at Mount Kilimanjaro, which is a coffee farm. When we pass these guys, they're coffee pickers. A lot of people don't know, but much of your coffee that you drink is, the good stuff at least, is picked by hand. So these guys are the ones doing all the hard work. Gracias, amigo. Hand-picked and hand-sorted. That is how you get award-winning coffee. It's a lot of work. Okay, that was awesome. The coffee farm looked spectacular, but I'm starting to get a little nervous. Apparently there was some confusion. Ada's not feeling well, but at this moment, we don't have anywhere to stay. I mean, we're locked out. We can't even get into where we're staying. I'm not entirely sure. I think we may have come all this way to just turn back without meeting Ada. Hola, amigo. Yeah. This man is just walking around. I have no idea what's going on right now. I don't think she's coming, bro.
And I don't know. It's very unfortunate. I mean, when we planned to come down here, she was good, but she got sick. A lot of people have COVID. Kind of stuck here. I'm hoping that, I mean, came all the way down here. I hope we get to meet her.
It's just frustrating, bro. It's frustrating. I don't even know where we go, dude. I haven't heard from anybody. It's about to rain here in a second.
Yeah.
It's a weird day. Weird day. Okay, so somebody finally came for us. I'm not really sure what we're doing, but I heard the word Ada. They don't speak any English. We're being escorted by 2 men. But this just got a little more interesting. I do not know where we're going. We're just following 2 guys, or rather they're escorting us this direction. So we're going this direction. It's our friend Lynette. Hey, are you Ada? Nice to finally meet you.
How are you?
Good hug. How are you feeling? I know you weren't feeling that
Been
good.
better. How are you?
This is Seth. Mario, nice to see you again, buddy. We became friends with her on the trip. Yeah.
You guys ready to go to the mill?
Indeed.
Okay.
Indeed. Let's do it. Sweet. We're gonna get a meal tour. You ever seen this much coffee, Seth?
Never in my life. How's it hanging?
Hanging good, man. Finally found Ada.
Ada's crushing the coffee game.
Crushing the game. Is this true? Did you coin the term cascara?
Yes, I sure did.
That's super cool.
I'll look you up.
I'll be darned. So what inspired you to move back to El Salvador and get this deep into a tough industry?
My great-great-grandfather is the one that introduced the Bourbon variety to El Salvador.
Really?
Then he had it on his farm for about 10 years. You know, I won COE my first year here. And, you know, from there it was all curiosity.
Were you expecting things to take off the way they did?
No, seriously no, because I have no idea. I mean,
Yeah. What's the hardest part about being what you do, being a producer and a consultant? You know, what are the struggles?
you know, we all deal with natural disasters, Roya. Aside from the challenges, I love what I do.
Yeah. You seem pretty happy.
You know, I work with great people.
I'm so happy that I got the coffee that I came for. This is Ada's personal stash. This is coffee from her personal farm, Mount Kilimanjaro, the one that she used to enter and win the Cup of Excellence Award a few years ago. I'm so thankful and grateful to have this coffee, but unfortunately I cannot try it right now because we gotta go. I'm super sad and bummed to leave, man. El Salvador and El Zonte is just, it's paradise. Gotta leave today though, unfortunately. We'll be at the airport in the next few hours, so next stop, coffee roasting facility. You wrote this song?
Yeah.
You wrote it here on the beach in El Zonte?
Yeah.
I know there's a lot of things to do, but I just feel like laying down, scrolling down my phone, looking at pictures of people I don't even know. Maybe it's just fate, yeah, that I'm gonna be late. And I know life should be fascinating, but this is just me procrastinating.
Okay, we made it back. It's time to taste this coffee and see how good it is.
My parents are worried that I don't have a wife. They don't understand that I'm feeling just fine, living my life, that I'm going solo like hands. Don't wanna wear pants or stare at my plants or the fan in the ceiling. I'm proud of the time that I'm killing. I don't play by the rules, I go with a feeling. And I know life should be fascinating, but this is just me procrastinating. Trumpet.
There's a moment in El Salvador that I'll never forget. I was sitting on the beach biting into this fresh, juicy papaya. I was covered in sand head to toe and I didn't care at all. And all I could hear was the roar of crashing waves around me. And in that moment, it felt like time didn't even exist. There was no past thoughts going through my head. There were no thoughts of the future going through my head. It was perfect in the momentness, if that's a word. For the past 2 months, I've missed El Salvador every single day. But the adventure lives on with this bag of coffee right here. I'm proud to say that over the last 2 months, I've developed a business relationship with Ada. And she's gonna allow me to buy coffee from her and producers that she works with to serve to my customers. So, super happy and honored because honestly, Ada's badass. I was blown away at her work ethic and the amount of sacrifice and just bullcrap that she puts up with to do what she does. And you know why she does it? She wants to bring honor to her family, to her great-great-grandfather, to her country, El Salvador. She wants to bring honor to her country. It's amazing. You see, it's people like Ada that motivate me to make these videos. Sure, these videos are super fun, they're super entertaining. I really hope you enjoy them. But my goal with these videos is to shine light on the people that are not given credit in the coffee supply chain process. In this video, you got to meet the coffee pickers, you got to meet the coffee sorters, you got to see the entire coffee processing mill. That's amazing. These are parts of the coffee's journey that get left in the dark. So it's my hope that I shine light and shine honor on all of the people who make coffee in El Salvador. If you like this adventure, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next adventure.